We're going to create a really simple little bouffant. This is a lot of fun. So I'm going to take the front area, place a large rectangle out of the front, and I'm going to pull the rest of the hair up into a high ponytail. Now this ponytail is just behind the crown. I'm going to use a hair pad, and I'm going to use a Patrick Cameron halo. They come in two different colors, a dark brown and a blonde. Now I'm going to take the dark brown one, I'm going to place it right in front of the ponytail like that. Come to the front area, put a little bit of back combing if you want to, create whatever softness you want, and pull it right through the center of the halo. Now leave the tail of the front piece, pick up the ponytail, brush the ponytail up, take it over, and tuck it right into the halo. Now remember, this is the ponytail. This is not the tail from the front. This is the ponytail. Now go to the back area and just start styling. So pick that up and tuck that in. And there's a really fun little easy bouffant.